guys, it's Joey Vegas D-Tech. I just wanted to make a short little video for you to explain sometimes when I go out, I don't necessarily want to take a car, and I like to bring my scooter. And the reason for this video is that I want to explain why I prefer to have a telescopic detector, because when I do go out, I can't just have that full on detector. And having this scooter right here means that I can go to a lot of far out places. I can get there a lot quicker. I don't use a lot of gas, and everything that I need fits right on this Burgman. Let me show you what's going on. So the Suzuki Burgman is a really cool bike because it is considered a scooter, but it's not considered one of those baby scooters. It's actually a 400cc scooter, and this scooter here can get me to highway speeds, which is about 80, 89. I can go from like 80 to 90 on this on the freeway if I wanted to, and everything that I need to carry can fit perfectly under the seat. All right, so with me today, I've got the Simplex detector with me here. And simply as this, I just pop this thing right up on the back. We're off. And then underneath here is amazing storage. So everything I need underneath here is going to be my Gray Ghost bag, which has got everything that I need inside of it. Ready to go. I got my pointers, got my digger, everything is set. And like I said, I don't need to actually bring a car with me every single time, when I could just put this in right here, close it up, take my detector, lash it across the back, a couple of straps here, and pretty much I'm good to go. So this is the main reason that I was telling you folks that I like having a collapsible shaft, because it gives me the opportunity to take a wide variety of vehicles. And you know, I used to have motorcycles, and for the price of a motorcycle, the only thing that I could do on a motorcycle was go really, really fast, but that wasn't really important to me. What was important to me is I still like to ride motorcycles, but the Burgman 400 works perfectly for me. It's got immense underseat storage. I can take my detector, as long as it's collapsible, it just fits right across the back like this. And guys, I can go as far as I want to go, easily in traffic, easily on a freeway, and I can get where I got to go and bring the Simplex with me, or whatever I have that's collapsible. And right now, I think the only collapsible shafts that I have that get down to this size are going to be my Quest and the Nokta Makro. The X-terra and the Equinox both don't have any of the abilities to collapse like this. That's why I went ahead and bought the collapsible shaft on the Equinox, and that should be here shortly. That way I can bring that with me as well. So anyways, guys, that's just a quick little video for you showing an alternative vehicle that I like to use when I go metal detecting. You don't always have to have a big old truck. You just use what you got. And when the weather is really nice like it is right now, it's like about 65, 70. Yeah, I prefer to take the bike with me. So anyways, guys, it's Joey Vegas D-Tech. Thank you again for hanging out and watching this quick little video. And I'll get you guys back on the next upload. Take it easy.